So, the topics we're going to cover today are what is a premium Snapchat, who can make money from a premium Snapchat, how to set up a premium Snapchat account, the step by steps it takes, how to sell your premium Snapchat to fans, and that's going to be, what payment options you will have for them, and how to get your base built up more or less for free. What is going on, Bevy people? This is Marcus from the bevyvip.com and also from the Pleasure Squad VIP. And today we're going to talk about, making money selling your premium Snapchat. Sorry, I haven't been doing videos lately. I've basically been spending all my time getting models verified through OnlyFans, which has proven to be difficult for some people, but I'd say we have a really high success rate right now of getting everyone verified. And if that's you, if you're trying to get verified on OnlyFans and need a little help, I'll put a link in the description below, but you can join our training club. And in there is a video which explains it all. And then when you join the training club, you can also chat directly with me through Telegram, and I will walk you through the process and help you hone your account while they give you rejection emails until we get it approved. There is a free trial right now, so if you just want to check it out and see the content that's in our training club for OnlyFans, you can go ahead and do that. That link will be in the description below. But anyway, let's talk about premium Snapchat. So, what is premium Snapchat? I mean, premium Snapchat doesn't actually exist. It's not like a function of the app. It's not like a different app that you download. Premium Snapchat is just a regular Snapchat account that you set to private settings, and you charge fans to view that account and be your friend so they can see your story feed. You can also chat directly with them on Snapchat, obviously, as you know. Yeah, there's no special app to download. You use your regular Snapchat app and Snapchat app. If you say that 5 times quick, that's pretty tough. Snapchat app. But you need to change some settings so that it's locked up so that not anyone can find you. And most likely, if you're doing this, you're doing not safe for work type content. So you don't want friends, family, or anyone who you might know to know that you are doing this. So I'm going to show you those steps. So who can make money from a premium Snapchat account? In general, anyone can make money from it. Obviously, you're just selling a membership to your account, and that's usually in the form of 1 month, 2 months, whatever it is. Maybe you want to do a week. It's obviously most popular with girls who are doing selfies and risque content, not safe for work content, OnlyFans models, AVN stars models, porn models, Instagram influencers, webcam models, fashion people, personalities, whatever, Redditors, artists, blah, 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 blah. Anyone who's using Snapchat can make a premium Snapchat account. Obviously, I work with mostly adult type content models, but that doesn't mean I can't work with influencers or anyone who is doing that. Now, the number one thing you need to know is if you don't have a fan base, you're not going to get anyone to spend money on a premium Snapchat. This is the same thing with OnlyFans. People think that just by creating an OnlyFans account, all of a sudden everyone's going to want to pay for their OnlyFans. That's not true. You need to build a fan base. You need to build a persona and a reason why people are going to follow you. So you need to be giving free content and you need to be promoting constantly, especially with OnlyFans, because OnlyFans is one of the most competitive, popular platforms right now that people are just cycling through models on there. So I actually think that a premium Snapchat account running one of these is easier than running an OnlyFans account. You're going to deal with less assholes. You're going to deal with, having to interact with people you don't want to interact with. You're not going to have to try to sell, sell, sell. On OnlyFans, it's insane the amount of spammy selling that you have to do in order to make a sale. So if you can get a fan base and get them interested in you in a public way, and then have certain people want to pay you for your premium Snapchat, that's it. They paid their one-time fee. They're there for the month. And yeah, obviously you could do that at OnlyFans, but it's really tough. And I'm not saying it's going to be a walk in the park to get a premium Snapchat account up and running. But if you like to create content, you enjoy taking snaps, it's less production involved. It's just a lot easier to please people who are following you on your premium Snapchat. but you still will have to build a fan base. And if you partner with us in this new project I'm starting called the Pleasure Squad, we're gonna try to work together and get you free traffic and build your persona through public social media platforms. So I guess that's really all you need to know about what a premium Snapchat is and who can create it. Anyone can create it. Um, so how you're going to set this up is you're basically going to download the app, the regular app. If you already have it on your phone, and if you already have a Snapchat account, you want to open a second Snapchat account. Even if your Snapchat you're using now is for communicating with fans, you still want another Snapchat account. It's okay to have one free one, and then you can manage the other one. But to set this up from the start, the way I'm gonna tell you right now is the best option for you. You can have more than one Snapchat account. I think I have at least three. So yeah, you download the app or you open the app. You won't, and then once you put your name in, you put your birth date in. I suggest not putting your real name. This account is you want everything on this account to be anonymous. So don't put anything real on this. So you want to put um, your performance name. You don't want to put your real birth date, and you actually can sign up with an email if you don't want to give your phone number either. So then once you do that and you sign up with the account, you confirm your email address. You want to go to the settings tab and you want to scroll all the way down to where you see the who can dot 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 options, right? So you want to set the who can contact me to my friends. You want to set who can use my cameo selfie to only me. You want to set who can view my story to only friends because that's what you're going to be posting on daily is to your story. And once someone pays for your premium Snapchat, they're going to be able to see your story. So that's what they're getting for that. Make sure the see me in quick ad isn't clicked. You want to unclick that and you want to set who can see my location to ghost mode. It's really important you stay anonymous while you're selling a premium Snapchat. And then you want to scroll down to the privacy options and uncheck the contact syncing option. This is going to access the contacts in your phone. And when you sign up, don't click that in the beginning because you don't want anyone in your contacts, your friends, family, to know that you're running this premium Snapchat account. So make sure these settings are all set. Now, once you have these settings all set, you're pretty much running a private account that no one can really access without you accepting them as a friend, and they won't see any of your posts. So how do you sell your premium Snapchat to fans? Like, what are the payment options? There's no way to use the Snapchat app itself to accept payments. So you have to do that externally. Common payment methods. Some people use PayPal, Venmo, Cash App. Out of those three, I'd say Cash App is the most safe. PayPal, they can see who you are, and I don't know, but I'm pretty sure Venmo can see who you are too. Those are pretty um, public payment options. So I do not recommend them at all, because you need to stay as anonymous as you can, so no one knows who the hell you are. Whenever you're dealing with not safe for work content, you have to stay safe. Platforms such as OnlyFans, which many of you might be into, have accounts with. You'll notice there's no Snapchat selling option. You can't put like a button somewhere where it says sell premium Snapchat. So the only way you can do it through that platform, through OnlyFans, is if you make a post and you write on that post, premium Snapchat tip $15, whatever it is you're selling it. And then, when they tip, then you can send them your invite to the Snapchat premium account. So that's one way of doing it, but there's no like then that post will get mixed up in your feed. You can pin it to the top if you want, but there's no automated or specific way to do that. There are other fan platforms. The one that I've seen that I'm starting to use now is Fan Centro, and I can put a link of that in the description below. It will be in an affiliate link, so I will make a percentage from the company, not from you, if you sign up through me with that. But the one thing I do like about Fan Centro, it's actually a pretty cool platform. It's way better than OnlyFans, but once again, there's not a lot of traffic on it, so OnlyFans wins again because they have the shittiest platform with the most traffic. So, but FanCentro has an option for a premium Snapchat. So if you add that there, get verified just like you would on OnlyFans. You add that there, you send your traffic to them. You're not going to get any traffic just from being on Fan Central, just like you're not going to get any traffic from just being on OnlyFans. You have to be doing daily promotions and external sites in order to get traffic. End of story. Don't be disillusioned. Don't listen to all these, models on YouTube who are trying to tell people, oh, it's so easy. All you need to do is open the account. It's such bullshit. Everyone struggles with building a fan base. So you could use Fan Centro. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description below. You could sign up with us. It's similar to OnlyFans. There's some pretty cool options, and I do believe AVN Stars also has a premium Snapchat option. Both those platforms have better functionality than OnlyFans, but because OnlyFans is so popular, everyone is using it despite it being probably the worst platform out there. So that, chalk that up to hype and to people just loving to be on the bandwagon. Um, so those are the main options, but obviously the option that I'm recommending, which is this new project we're doing called the Pleasure Squad VIP, is to sign up with us as a model. And this is cool because if you already signed up to OnlyFans and you want to add this on top of that, you could still sell your Snapchat on OnlyFans, but you can also sell it on our platform. Um, if you say you can't get verified on OnlyFans, you can get verified with us through the Pleasure Squad model verification process, which is, you send in same documents, you send in um, your ID and all that stuff, and we'll verify you. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a page for you that'll look like this. Let me show you. So we'll basically make a payment page for you, which you can send your traffic to. This will show your premium Snapchat, whoever you are. You can have different payment options. You can offer like 1 month is 15, or you can do 2 months. You can give them a discount for 25 as opposed to 30. 3 months. We can set up these payment options for you. They add the cart. It's a completely secure website, secure payment options. We take, Visa, PayPal, all that. And then we will send you, every 2 weeks, we're going to send you the amount of sales you've made. And we will, part of that program though is to help people build their accounts. And so what you'll get out of it is, you'll be required to send us some videos and some pictures that we can promote you on, like such as Pornhub and whatnot, and on our network, on our Twitter, whatever. And we can help you build your traffic through Reddit. We can talk to you about all those options. But the idea is that we want to offer people who want to sign up to this Pleasure Squad a payment option, and then we're gonna also make a Pleasure Squad model page, a directory, just like we have our OnlyFans directory. Which, if you want to check that out, we can put the link in the description below too. But anyway, this is going deeper than I wanted to, and I'm going to do a video speaking specifically about the Pleasure Squad. If you're interested in this and interested in not joining any of the crazy platforms that giving people so much problems, and you just want a payment page, send me an email at pleasuresquadmaster@thebevyvip.com. Tell me you want to be, you want to have a premium Snapchat set up, and I can set that up for you like super quick, like right away. And then you just send your traffic there, and as soon as they pay, they get the link that goes to your page. You then send them an email saying, or you then invite them to be your friend, and then they're following you. End of story. And then at the end of the month, whoever didn't resubscribe will send you that list so you can delete them from your page and you're all good to go. Anyway, if you're interested in that, definitely send me an email. Or I just set up this new Snapchat while I was making this tutorial. So you can snap me at Pleasure Squad VIP. Find me on there, say hello, tell me you watch this video and you want to set up a premium Snapchat, and I can chat with you about it there, about the ins and outs and how we can help you. Anyway, that's going to be it for me. I'm hoping to make one more of these, like I said, about the Pleasure Squad and some of the new stuff I'm working on. Don't forget, we have the OnlyFans Training Club. If you're interested, you can get a free trial to just check out what kind of content is in there. And if you need help verifying, what you want to do is sign up to OnlyFans with my link so that I can spend the time to help you, or you just join the training club, and then I'll help you through there. Anyway, my name is Marcus from the Bevy VIP and the Pleasure Squad VIP, and I hope you all make a lot of money with Snapchat. If you have questions, put them in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. See you soon. Peace.